Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rian Fitriadi. I'm the student of Accounting Program, Faculty of Economics, Islamic Sultan Agung University, Semarang, Indonesia. I'll be talking to you today about cash flow statement. My talk is particularly relevant to those of you who want to learn how to calculate the cash flow from cash flow statement. The first part of my presentation, I'll be explaining the definition of cash flow statement. Then I'll be going to describe the function of cash flow statement. After that, I'd like to explain the structure of cash flow statement. Next, I'll be going to show you how to calculate cash flow from cash flow statement. Finally, I'll summarize my presentation. My presentation will take about 20 minutes. Don't worry about taking notes. I'll be handing out copies of the PowerPoint file at the description box. Feel free to ask questions at any time. Let's begin by explaining the definition of cash flow statement. What is cash flow statement? The cash flow statement is a financial statement that summarizes the movement of cash and cash equivalents that come in and go out of a company. In short, starting cash plus or minus cash in or cash out equal to ending cash. The cash flow statement measures how well a company manages its cash position, meaning how well the company generates cash to pay its debt obligation and fund its operating expenses. As one of the three main financial statements, the cash flow statement complements the balance sheet and the income statement. That's all I have to say about the definition of cash flow statement. Then I'll move to the function of cash flow statement. What is the function of cash flow statement? First, allocation of cash. Allocation of cash paints a picture as how company operations are running, where its money comes from, and how money is being spent. Second, financial planning tools are the instruments used to meet current and future financial goals through a sound financial plan. Financial planning tools generally fall into two categories: wealth growing tools and protection tools. Wealth growing tools are tools that help you grow and compound the value of your money over time. Protection tools are tools whose main objectives are to serve as a robust cushion of support to you. And the third, liquidity definition. Liquidity is a company's ability to convert assets to cash or acquire cash through a loan or money in the bank to pay its short-term obligation or liabilities. I've looked at the function of cash flow statement. I'll be looking at the structure of cash flow statement. What the structure of cash flow statement? First, let me explain cash from operating activities. The operating activities on the cash flow statement include any source and use of cash from business activities. In other words, it reflects how much cash is generated from a company's products or service. These operating activities might include received from sales of goods and service, interest payment, income tax payments, payments made to suppliers of goods and service used in production, rent payments, and any other type of operating expenses. In the case of in the case of trading portfolio or an investment company, receipts from the sale of loans, debt, or equity instruments are also included because it is a business activity. Second, cash flow cash from investing activities. Investing activities include any source and use of cash from a company investment. You can see in the illustration of piggy bank that saving money means for investing. Purchases or sales of assets, loans made to vendors or received from customers, or any payments related to mergers and acquisitions are included in the category. In short, change in equipment, assets, or investment related to cash from investing. Change in cash from investing are usually considered cash out items because cash is used to buy new equipment, buildings, or short-term assets such as marketable securities. But when a company divests an asset, the transaction is considered cash in for calculating cash from investing. Last, cash from financing activities. Cash from financing activities include the source of cash from investors and banks, as well as the way cash is paid to shareholders. This includes any dividends, payments for stock repurchases, and repayment of debt, principal, or loans that are made by the company. Change in cash from financing are cash in when capital is raised and cash out when dividends are paid. Thus, if a company issues a bond to the public, the company receives cash financing. However, when interest is paid to bondholders, that the company is reducing its cash. And remember, although interest is a cash of expense, it is reported as an operating activities, not a financing activities. Sorry, it is reported as an operating activity, not a financing activity. Next, the account of cash flow from operation are net earnings, depreciation, accounts receivable, account payable, taxes payable, and inventory. The account of cash flow from investing is equipment. And the last account of cash flow from financing is notes payable. Net income. Net income is the total sales of a company minus expenses like cost of goods sold, selling, general, and administrative expenses, operating expenses, depreciation, interest, and taxes. Depreciation. Depreciation, an accounting method used to allocate to the cost of a tangible or physical asset over its useful life. Third, accounts receivable. The balance of money due to a firm for goods or service delivered or used but not yet paid for by customers. And fourth, tax payable. Payments made by individuals and corporation to a government entity based on their taxable income. Fifth, accounts payable. Accounts payable refers to an account within the general ledger that represents a company's obligation to pay off a short-term debt to its creditors or suppliers. Sixth, inventory. All the raw materials, work in progress, and goods available for sale the company owns. 7. Equipment. Long-term assets vital to business operation and the long-term financial health of a company. Equipment, machinery, buildings, and vehicles. 8. Notes payable. Obtains a specific amount of money from a lender and promises to pay it back with interest over a predetermined time period. Well, I've told you about the structure of cash flow statement. Now I'll show you how to calculate cash flow from cash flow statement. To calculate cash flow from operation, add your net income and non-cash expenses, then subtract the change in working capital. Cash flow from operation equals net income plus non-cash expenses minus change in working capital. On this statement, non-cash expenses are depreciation, account, account receivable, account payable, and taxes payable. Then change in working capital is, is the increase of inventory. So we can add to the formula. Cash flow from operation equals 2 million, 2 million plus the total non-cash expenses 10,000 plus 15,000 plus 15,000 plus 2,000 is equals 42,000 and minus 15,000 plus 15,000 equals 30,000 and cash flow from operation is 2,042,000 minus 30,000 equals 2,012,000. To calculate cash flow from investing activities, add the purchases or sales of property and equipment, other business and marketable securities. Cash flow from investing equals equipment. Cash flow from investing activities equals equipment. Okay. To calculate cash flow from financing activities, add your dividends paid to the repurchase of debt and issuing to equity or debt. Cash flow from financing equals cash inflows from issuing equity or debt minus dividends paid plus repurchase of debt and equity. On this statement, we only have cash inflows from issuing equity or debt which is not payable. Not payable. So just put in on 10,000, 10,000. For the last step, you can subtract all the cash from in operating activities to investing activities, then add financing activities. This is interpreted as cash flow statement equals cash flow from operation minus cash flow from investing plus cash flow from financing. 2 million 2,012,000 minus 500,000 plus 10,000 equals 1,522,000 and 22,000. Conclusion. Finally, I'll summarize my presentation. A cash flow statement is a valuable measure of strength, profitability, and the long-term future outlook of a company. The cash flow statement can help determine whether a company has enough liquidity or cash to pay its expenses. A company can use a cash flow statement to predict future cash flow, which helps with budgeting matters. For investors, the cash flow statement reflects a company's financial health. Since typically the more cash that's available for business operation, the better. However, this is not a rigid rule. Sometimes a negative cash flow results from a company's growth strategy in the form of expanding its operation. By studying the cash flow statement, an investor can get a clear picture of how much cash a company generates and gain of a solid understanding of the financial well-being of a company. Please leave your question in the comments below. This is the reference of my presentation. May I thank you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.